Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code Circuit. In today's video, I'll be talking about one very interesting and important pattern. It can be solved in any language, but we'll be solving that in C++. Okay, the pattern is zigzag pattern. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family, and also at the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you really like the content that we bring to you. Okay, and at the same time, thank you for supporting us. I hope you'll be supporting us in future as well. Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started. As I said, today's topic is the zigzag pattern. Okay, I will be telling you the logic, and you can implement that in any language you want. Okay, I will be using C++ for the same. Fine. So let's go to our whiteboard and try to understand this. I have already drawn the pattern for you. This is called the zigzag pattern. Okay, so guys, the first thing that I want to tell you about patterns is that don't go about the whole diagram. It will be taking ages for you to do it, and you will not be able to find any solution for that. The first thing about patterns is that always, this is a thumb rule for patterns. You have to remember this thumb rule. The rule is break it down to parts. Okay, always break the diagram down to parts so that it becomes easy for you to analyze and find some relation. Okay, if you see carefully in the example, we have one, two, three rows. The row is constant actually, right? And the column number is going from say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till here it is 9. Say suppose I want one more triangle like this. I will be needing some, let's try to draw this. Okay, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, now let's see here. So I need one star, one star, one star, one star. Okay, if you see 10, 11, 12, and 13. So I need four more columns for getting one more triangle here. Correct? So now if you see the row value is going from 1, 2, 3. Let's keep it constant for the time being. Okay, and if you see the column value, it is going from 1 to the n value given. In our case, the n value is 9. Okay, so n equal to 9 here. Got it? So based on that, we can calculate this. And it can go on for like this: plus 4 for one more triangle, again plus 4 for one more triangle, and so on. Okay, so after that it will be 17, it will be 21, it will be 25, and so on. Okay, now let's try to figure out how we can print this pattern. It can be star, it can be hashtag, it can be anything. Okay, so let's try to find some relation between the row and the columns. Okay, so if you see carefully guys, for this one, this one, what is the row and the column numbers? The row number is 3, the column number is 1. Similarly for this one it is 2 comma 2, for this one it is 1 comma 3, and I will take this one now. I will tell you why I've skipped one. Okay, for this one it is 3 comma 5, and this one is 2 comma 6. Let me write down here only. This one is 1 comma 7. Okay, and this one is how much? 2 comma 8. Okay, here guys, see here, I will tell you why I will not take this one as well. I will skip this one for the time being, and this one also I'm skipping this. Okay, I'm just skipping this too, and this one I will write here. So this is 3 comma 9. Okay, 3 comma 9. Fine. So if you see here, if you add them, the row and column, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 8, this is 8, this is also 8, and this is 3 plus 9, 12. Okay, but for this two cases, this one and this one, it is 2 comma 4, and this is 2 comma 8. That means this is 6 and this is 10. Okay, for all the other cases, if you see here, 4 4 4 8 8 8 12, they are actually multiples of 4. Okay, so in this case I can say for the case 1, our row plus column value is actually divisible by 4. Correct. So with this I can easily solve these parts of the pattern. What about this two, the one highlighted in red color? What should we do? If you check carefully, the row number is 2. Correct, for this two, this one and this one, and the column number is 4 and 8. Correct. So if I say our row equal 2 and the column number 4 and 8 are divisible by 4, right? I can simply say column modulus of 4 equal 0. Will that work? Yeah, that will suffice actually. So for the first case, the row column values are divisible by 4 when we add them. For the second case, the row is equal to 2 and column is actually divisible by 4. See, 4 and 8, they are divisible by 4. So this can be my second case and we can easily solve this with this approach. Got it? And this will actually work for any value of n here. If you see here, it is 2 comma 10 is 12. Then this one is 1 comma 11 12, and then this one, this becomes how much? 2 comma 12 is 14, but now if you see, this is an exception. So in this case, the row value is 2 and 12 is divisible. This column is divisible by 4. Okay, so we are actually able to solve this. Correct. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to our IDE and try to write this. Okay, we got these two conditions. Let me write it down here. The first condition is our row plus column modulus of 4 equal 0. The second condition is our row is equal to 2 and our column modulus of 4 is equal 0. So in these two conditions, we can easily get our pattern printed. Okay. In the pattern, in this conditions, we'll print a star. Otherwise, we'll print a empty space. Okay. Here in this case, it is given a star. It can be a hashtag. It can be a dot. It can be anything. Okay, so let's try to do this. I will go to my IDE now and try to write down the code. Okay, so I already have the file created. Here I will simply say void print zigzag. This will take the number of calls from the user, the columns. Okay, so I will say for the row value is constant, right? 1 2 3. Int row is equal to 0, row less than equal to 3, row plus plus. For int column is equal to 1. Okay, I was taking from 1 to 3, right? If you see here, it was from 1 to 3. Let's go back here and try to see this. Okay, our condition, we had 1 2 3 and 1 2 n. Okay, so let's use that only. So row equal to 1 less than 3 and column equal to 1, column less than equal to the n or the columns value given by the user, and column plus plus. Okay, I'll just combine the conditions. The first condition is if our row and the column value added together is actually divisible by 4, or the second condition is our row value is equal 2 and our column is actually divisible by 4. In all those cases, we'll be printing a star. Yes, Otherwise, in the else block, we'll be simply printing an empty space. Okay, but let's do one thing. Let's try to call this function print zigzag by passing the number of columns as 9. Okay, let's see what we get. Running this now. Okay, guys, you can see here the control is in the same line. So every star is printed in the same row. I don't want that to happen. So what to do? We'll just simply go out of the inner for loop and just say C out. You can say slash n or end l as you wish. Okay, now let's see what we're getting. I'll run this again. Yep, we're getting it, but we can even make it a little bit enhanced by giving some spaces. Okay, let's try to do that. I'll give a space here and here. Now let's run this and check. Yep, better. See, we're getting the output. Now, if you want one more triangle here, let's change the value from 9 to 13 and let's run this again. Got it? See, guys, we're getting one more triangle. If you want one more, just say 17 plus 4. Run this again. See, guys, you're getting one more triangle here. So, this is successfully achieved goal for us, which is the zigzag pattern. Okay, I hope you have understood the logic and the implementation. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, and also share this with your friends and family so that they can also benefit and learn from it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Till the next time, this is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and happy learning.